Hiya, welcome to the channel. I'm just analysing the Bitcoin US dollar chart. I've got a little bit of a concern on this. I'll show you a while back, a long time ago now, I predicted a big drop in Bitcoin. The way I was able to predict this is with a diamond pattern. So as you can see, I've drawn the lines in the area that I did this, and this shows you it's a rough diamond shape. What a diamond pattern is you're looking for a close of this line here, close below. So you get a big pullback up, then it switches round, and if it keeps going up, it voids the pattern and it keeps going up, and lovely, brilliant, carry on making money. If it closes below the line, you're looking for a return of the last lowest low before it came into that. So you normally get a strong bull run up into it, and then you get a break of this line and then a pull all the way back down again. So I just wanted to do this video because I'm a little bit concerned, because on the daily this looks very similar to me. You can see big bull run up in, it's come up, come down, it's moving, it's shaping diamond sort of shape. I mean, it may come up a little bit further, as long as it's underneath this area here, it's still valid. And then we look for a turn down. If it keeps going higher, great, voids it, everyone keeps making money. If it breaks this line here, across here, coming up, so if it comes up higher, then comes down and breaks below this line, you're looking for a minimum of 38,899 drop, minimum drop, which I believe we will see. I'm not telling anybody how to trade this. It's not advice. I'm not giving any trading advice at all. I'm just showing you what I'm looking at in the market. Now, I put this up last time, years ago when I put the first one up. A lot of people obviously didn't like it, but don't get me wrong, I believe Bitcoin and cryptos are going to be massive for the future. Obviously, you're going to get pullbacks and gains and pullbacks. It's just how the market moves. So if I see something, I like to put it up just so people can view it, see what they think, and just put it in your mind somewhere. Just be cautious of it. I mean, you can see we've had a big sell-off and a big pullback, but we're struggling to go past this zone here. I mean, that's 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. And it's struggling to push past this area here. So we may even get a turn around and it close below here. Could get a little bit of a move up as long as we stay under this area here. What you want to look for, just be mindful if it closes this line, just keep it in your mind. It may come all the way back down to here. And if it breaks this, then you could see it come right down into the 30s, low 30s. So just be very mindful of what you're looking at. I just wanted to make it clear of what I was seeing on here. And my views of it. It's something to watch out for on Bitcoin, for sure. Right, we're now looking at the Ethereum against the US dollar chart. Very much the same pattern lining up. We've got a strong bull run in, building up a diamond pattern. Could still come a bit higher before it breaks this line. If we get a break of this line, you're looking at a minimum, not so much of a drop as Bitcoin had, but still significant enough. You're looking at a minimum pullback to 1310. Something just to be aware of. Again, not advice on whether you should buy or sell. I'm cryptos long term, definitely am. But obviously, people could use these for potential entry points to add to their positions, to take profits before they come back into it. It's up to you. It's just to show you things that I'm looking at. It's no advice on how to trade it whatsoever. But we've definitely had a strong sell-off. We're struggling to get much higher than this halfway point. And I'm still expecting a strong dollar. I know we've got stimulus coming from Biden, which might make people buy more into cryptos, give us a short little burst. But I think for the short term, for the next month or two, maybe something like that, I'm expecting to see a drop off. And this pattern will confirm that to us. If we close above and it voids the pattern, we'll keep going higher. Great. Which long term, I think we're going to see massive gains on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Chainlink and things like that. But Certainly, if we close below this line, then I'm expecting us to see a retest of this area here. At the very least, a retest of this area here. We could even push down lower. So just be mindful of it. Keep an eye on what you're doing, and just be very close to being able to exit if you need to. Or if you're holding it long term and you're a believer, which a lot of people are down in very low, this won't really matter to you. But it just gives people an idea of what I'm looking at and the things that I'm seeing occurring in the markets.